Turn environmental compliance into your competitive advantage. 45-minute executive briefing that transforms environmental management from cost center to revenue driver. Your competitors win contracts with ISO 14001, while environmental incidents harm your reputation, raise regulatory risks, and block access to major clients. This executive training shows what it takes to implement the leading environmental management standard to win contracts, cut operational costs, and build a proactive sustainability culture that attracts customers and top talent. What you'll learn: the business case for ISO 14001, why major clients and government contracts require ISO 14001, how certification unlocks international markets, financial benefits, lower waste, energy, and material costs, insurance and liability advantages through risk reduction, meets ESG requirements for investors and stakeholders, boosts brand reputation and customer loyalty in sustainability-focused markets. Your implementation roadmap: realistic 6-9 month certification timeline, required resources, roles, time, and costs. 5-phase process from documentation to audit. 2 key first steps: environmental aspects and compliance obligations. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Integration bonus: ISO 9001 certified companies are already 60% ready. Day-to-day implementation reality: affected departments, operations, engineering, purchasing, facilities, HR, design. Required procedures, which you may already have if ISO 9001 certified. Core programs: environmental aspects, corrective actions, internal audits. Life cycle approach, from raw materials to end-of-life disposal. How to identify and manage compliance obligations. Documentation: what's needed and how to maintain it efficiently. Leadership's role in implementation: true commitment required from top management. Build a proactive environmental culture, not just compliance. Create an environmental policy aligned with business strategy. Set measurable objectives that drive improvement. Manage change and secure operations team buy-in. 3 implementation paths: DIY, consultant-assisted, or fully managed. Integrate ISO 14001 with existing ISO 9001 or ISO 45001 systems. Why this training is different. Taught by Diana Lin, President of Management Systems Consulting with 25+ years of hands-on ISO implementation experience. Not theoretical knowledge, but real-world expertise from implementing standards across manufacturing, life sciences, engineering, and more. 70+ companies personally guided to certification across all ISO standards. 25+ years of implementation experience since 1998. 85% of clients continue using us for ongoing internal audits and support. Zero theory, all practice. We've written actual environmental procedures for dozens of companies. Integration experts: we specialize in combining ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 into unified management systems. Why this training valuable? Most ISO trainings are either boring lectures or vague overviews. This one isn't. You get the strategic insight executives need and the real practical steps for implementation. No sugarcoating, no sales pitch, no certification body bias. Designed for leaders who need to understand ISO 14001 implementation. CEOs and executives evaluating ISO 14001, environmental managers and sustainability directors, operations leaders, understanding departmental impact, quality managers integrating with ISO 9001 facilities and engineering managers managing energy, waste, and resources, business development teams losing bids to certified competitors, HR directors overseeing environmental training and engagement. Not sure if ISO 14001 is right for your company? This 45-minute training provides the clarity you need to decide. The cost of waiting. Each month you delay ISO 14001 certification. Competitors win ESG-focused contracts. Major clients remove you from consideration. Global market opportunities close. Operational inefficiencies persist. Regulatory risk increases. Investor and stakeholder pressure grows. Top talent chooses certified employers. The real question isn't whether to pursue ISO 14001, it's how much each month of delay is costing you. Frequently asked questions. Duration: 45 minutes. Quick, essential insights for busy executives. Prior ISO knowledge needed? No. We explain everything from the ground up. Is this a sales pitch? No. You get all the info to decide. even if you implement internally. Not ready for ISO 14001? Training helps assess readiness and foundation work needed. ISO 14001 versus EPA compliance. EPA is reactive legal minimum. ISO 14001 is proactive and continuous. You need both. Already have environmental policies? Training shows if they meet ISO 14001 requirements or need enhancement. ISO 9001 certified? You're 60% there. Only minor additions required. Certificate provided? Yes, upon completion. Can my team join? Yes. Recommended for leadership, environmental, operations, quality, and facilities teams. Ready to get started? This 45-minute investment could be the difference between winning and losing your next major contract, and between preventing and experiencing a serious workplace incident. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't find this training valuable, we'll refund every penny. Still have questions? Email, phone, 888-914-9141. We typically respond within 2 hours during business hours. Start your 38-minute briefing now.